Hey guys, in this video, we are going to see the difference between replication controller and replica set. This is very important for you guys to understand the difference between them. So I'm going to make another video on towards the label on the end of the replica set just to compare the labeling stuff, because there's a huge difference in the labeling stuff, which I want to show you that on that video. But apart from that, replica set is much superior, and that's why we have given so much concentration on that section. And you see that there's a lot of videos. And replication controller, we have just covered a little bit, not too much, because I mean, there is no real-time use case for a replication controller because it's kind of old and it's been replaced by replica set. Now, just to give you an introduction, well, replication controller got introduced at the version 1.0 of Kubernetes, and replica set came in from 1.2 version of Kubernetes, and it came in as a replacement of replication controller. Now it supports both of them supports equal based selectors. So you're gonna have equality based selector where you are going to say that, oh yeah, this is a label, so this is something you need to match as a selector. But then replica set came with the advanced selection of expression based selection as well. So we will discuss about that on the replica set session. I have a separate videos for expression based. And pod template management is very important. So pod template management is done by selectors and templates separately in terms of replication controller, but it is all like together in terms of replica set. Scaling, it has a basic functionality of scaling, and auto scaling also does not have the advanced auto scaling. So when I say advanced auto scaling, it means horizontal pod autoscaler. So this horizontal pod autoscaler is a separate object as an API, and that actually very conveniently uses CPU and memory to understand the systems or your worker nodes, your data nodes, or your compute nodes, power and utilization, and assigns nodes in those which is free. So likewise, you can configure in advanced HPA mode, so which we will cover on the advanced session. So that is also part of your program, so don't worry about it. So that comes under workload management. And there are also more advanced scaling features. That's what I spoke to you about. So we will discuss later. Well, so pretty much both uses API group version 1, and I've given you the API object for them replication controller with R capital, C capital, and this is replica set, which R and S capital. So that's how you need to invoke them as a kind when you are, putting this across in your YAML file. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. I hope that this makes some sense for you why we spoke about replica controller and why we are going to speak about replica set, and why you need to concentrate more on replica set. So that's pretty much what I want to tell you on this video. Thank you again. I'll see you on the next video.